Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video battery error plugged in not charging on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your laptop battery, if you have connected your charger even though it is showing plugged in but not charging, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix your issue. In this, the first method is you have to just open the command prompt, just type here cmd, then click on run as administrator. Here you know type msdt.exe space hyphen id space power diagnostic. Then hit enter. Then click on advanced. You have to make sure that it is tick mark apply repairs automatically. Then click on next. And if there is any issue with your laptop battery settings, just click on apply this fix. You can see all the issue has been fixed. Then just click on close and close this window. The second method is just update the battery driver. Click on the search, then type your device manager. Click on device manager. Here you will find battery, double click and expand it. Just right click on the battery, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for the drivers, then close this window. If this option is also not working, then what you have to do, you have to just right click and uninstall device, then click on uninstall. After uninstalling, restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix plug in but not charging error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.